Gurugram is making headlines as a top real estate investment destination in 2025. This year alone, the city attracted an impressive Rs 86,588 crore in real estate investments, with 131 projects receiving the green light from Gurugram's Real Estate Regulatory Authority. These approvals paved the way for over 35,000 new units across both residential and commercial segments, highlighting Gurugram's rapid urban expansion and the growing confidence of investors in the region. Of these, 31,155 units are dedicated to residential development, spanning everything from premium group housing to affordable homes and plotted colonies. The diversity in residential offerings shows that Gurugram is catering to a broad spectrum of buyers, from families looking for modern apartments to those seeking affordable options under schemes like Deen Dayal. On the commercial side, more than 4,000 units were approved, including dedicated spaces for IT parks, reinforcing Gurugram's reputation as a technology and business hub. Regulatory improvements such as stricter project scrutiny and enhanced transparency are further boosting investor confidence. Robust infrastructure, expanding metro lines, and a strong corporate presence, Gurugram's real estate market is set for continued growth, making it a prime choice for investors in 2025 and beyond.